Hi everyone, welcome to day 3 Vietnam, second day of Phuoc. And सुबह सुबह एक छोटी सी मिस हैपनिंग, छोटी नहीं बहुत बड़ी मिस हैपनिंग हो गई. So I was taking this room shot अपने रूम का ड्रोन एंड वो जाके बिल्डिंग में स्टक हो गया, वहाँ पे लग के एंड देन वो एक विंडो पे गिर गया जहाँ उसके हमें कीज नहीं मिल रही है बिकॉज वहाँ का कार्ड नहीं है एंड वो बिल्डिंग ऑलरेडी बंद है. हमारा ड्रोन गया एंड जो कल हमने बहुत अच्छे क्वालिटी में शॉट्स लिए थे वो भी गया अनफॉर्चुनेटली. तो जो क्वालिटी मेरे पास पड़ी है वो 720p में है, चल जाएगा बट उसकी क्वालिटी वो नहीं रहेगी जो 4K होती है क्योंकि हम लोगों ने ड्रोन से डाउनलोड नहीं किया था. सुबह सुबह वो लॉस हो गया, पहले बैगेज पे पैसे लगे, अब ये वाला हुआ. वी आर होपिंग कि अब और ज्यादा हम लोग का लॉस ना हो बिकॉज बहुत ज्यादा पैसे जा रहे हैं. स्ट्रेस भी हो गया मेरे को क्योंकि मुझे स्पेसिफिकली ड्रोन से फुकॉक में शॉट्स चाहिए थे. ये ऐसी टाइप की जगह है कि आप बिना ड्रोन शॉट्स लिए जा ही नहीं सकते एंड यहीं पर ही मेरा ड्रोन ठुक गया. ऑफ कोर्स मेरे फ्रेंड्स मुझे बोल भी रहे थे कि रूम से शॉट्स नहीं आएंगे, सिग्नल लॉस हो जाएगा, बट मैंने नहीं सुनी एंड देन अल्टीमेटली इट हैपेंड. दिस इज हाउ माय डे स्टार्टेड. सो अभी हम लोग ग्रैंड वर्ल्ड जा रहे हैं एंड देन वी विल गो टू दिस विन वर्ल्ड. इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ डिज्नीलैंड ऑफ वियतनाम. रिसेंटली इट हैज गेन लॉट ऑफ ट्रैक्शन, तो देखते हैं कैसा है. This is the old Phuoc. What I've heard about this place, it's called the ghost place. Why? Because वहाँ पर लोग जो है बहुत कम रहते हैं, tourism okay है. People don't feel कि वो एक actual authentic European style है because उन्होंने एक fake तरीके से बनाया है. Personally I loved it, but सबका अपना opinion होता है, तो इसलिए वहाँ पर उतने लोग नहीं हैं जितने होने चाहिए. Most of the buildings are empty there. That is the reason मेरा ड्रोन भी निकल पा रहा है वहाँ पे. अगर वहाँ पर कोई रह रहा होता तो अभी मेरे पास ड्रोन होता. Anyhow, लोग नहीं होते हैं एंड आप आराम से शूट कर पाते हो एंड पूरी सिटी आपकी है. So finally we have arrived at our Grand World. So it's inspired by Venice theme and this is what I have wearing. तो यहाँ पर हम लोग पहले सोच रहे थे स्टे करने का, देन वी थॉट कि सनसेट विलेज ज्यादा बेटर ऑप्शन रहेगा क्योंकि वहां से अट्रैक्शंस पास है एंड दिस इज समथिंग व्हिच वी कैन कवर द नेक्स्ट डे. सो दिस इज द लास्ट डे इन आवर Phuoc. Grand World is a renowned destination known for its Venice-inspired theme. Currently, there is no entry fee, but visitors can enjoy various attractions such as boat ride, which requires a ticket purchase. It's a great place to explore and spend a delightful day. The area is filled with numerous eateries and even offers foot massage services. So there are these beautiful souvenir shops offering a variety of items, including clothes and hats. However, we didn't purchase anything due to our luggage being overloaded, but the selection was diverse and tempting. I had an amazing time exploring Grand World, capturing some stunning shots and even creating a reel. I'm also in the process of filming a vlog to truly bring this incredible place to life. So this yellow dress was an absolute dream. It blended effortlessly with this vibrant and lively theme of Grand World, making every frame look straight out of postcard. I'm so glad I made the right choice wearing it because it added the perfect pop of color against this breathtaking backdrops here. One thing I absolutely loved about this place is how clean and well maintained it is. So next we were on our way to the Teddy Bear Museum. I had heard about this adorable museum and the ticket price was around 1200 INR. This is also a nice place to explore and I'm kind of loving it. यहाँ पर भी as usual उतना रश नहीं है. As पर जो लोग हैं बहुत कम है, tourism भी काफी कम. यहाँ पे धूप कम है, लोग हैं जिनको पता भी नहीं इसके बारे में. And people who have not visited Europe, they are definitely going to appreciate this place for sure. It's a pretty good town. रात में बहुत अच्छा लगता है. हम लोग रात को तो नहीं रुक पाएंगे. I mean maybe it's looking very good.
Yes, now I have a new tour. You see 310 Vietnam show.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah,
and
we have-
after
Okay, I'm taking to a place that isn't just for kids but for anyone who loves a touch of nostalgia and magic, the Teddy Bear Museum. The moment you step inside, it feels like entering a whole new world. Soft, cuddly teddy bears everywhere. But this isn't just a museum, it's a storybook adventure filled with this fascinating exhibits, fun history, and this adorable display that brings these iconic bears to life. Each section is beautifully designed, making you feel like you have stepped into this different era and place, all with teddy bears as the stars. The giant teddy bears, if one teddy bear makes you happy, imagine seeing life-size and even giant teddy bears waiting for the perfect photo opportunity. Every corner is this Instagram worthy, making it a must visit for anyone who loves capturing aesthetics, fun and heartwarming moments. Whether you are a teddy bear collector, a kid at heart, or just someone looking for a unique experience, this museum has something for everyone. Then we entered this adorable shop to pick some souvenirs. So after an exciting time at Grand World, we headed towards this Win Win World, one of the biggest amusement park in Vietnam. But before reaching there, I had this amazing little adventure. As we made our way through our roads, one thing that instantly caught my eye was the row of stunning, vibrantly colored buildings lining the street. Each building had this unique charm reflecting classic of European architecture. Finally, we arrived at this Win Win World and the exterior looked absolutely stunning. While it's not exactly like Disneyland, which I visited last year in Hong Kong, it definitely has a similar adventure park vibe. It's a world of excitement filled with this thrilling rides, fantasy theme attractions, and this immersive experiences that makes you feel like you have stepped into this whole new universe. So the atmosphere is lively, the energy is contagious, and the best part, it's an adventure waiting to unfold. So we had already booked our tickets in advance through Klook for around 3,000, making the entry process super smooth. Now we were all set to explore the rides. While they aren't huge a number of attractions here, but we were still excited to see what the park hold for us. As we walked further, we spotted this massive structure. I had no idea what it was, but it looked intrigued. And then, OMG, it turned out to be a huge aquarium. I had no clue that this Win Wonders has such amazing marine world waiting for us. The aquarium is like stepping into this entirely different universe, once that peaceful, mesmerizing, and full of life. The moment you enter, you're surrounded by this massive glass tunnel that gives you this 360-degree view of this underwater world. Inside, you will get an incredible variety of marine species, from colorful tropical fish to great stingrays and even majestic sharks swimming. The lighting reflects on the water makes everything look almost as if you're walking through this deep sea itself. One of the best part is watching the fish swim so gracefully. It's unbelievable, calming. The aquarium also has this interactive exhibits, making it just not visually stunning but also super informative. Anyone curious about marine life, whether you're a nature lover, photography enthusiastic, or just someone looking for a peaceful escape, this place is a must visit inside Win Wonders. And then came to this cutest surprise, penguins. Yes, Win Wonders even had this amazing penguin zone where these adorable little creatures, watching them slide on the ice and dive into the water was such a fun and unexpected experience. One of the best thing about this aquarium is that how well designed and interactive it is. Walking hand in hand with my best friend, I couldn't believe it, finally experiencing something that had been on my bucket list for so long, such a dream come true. Finally, we stepped out and made our way to this coconut boat ride. Let's see how exciting this one turns out to be. I started recording as soon as I got in, but the moment I sat down, a wave of paranoia hit me that what if I dropped my GoPro? My friends kept warning me to be extra careful, especially since, as you know, I'd already lost my drone earlier that morning. So there was no way I could afford another mishap. As the ride began, it felt a bit too easygoing, almost kiddish at first, but surprisingly it was still fun in its own way. It wasn't quite the adventurous thrill I'd imagined, more of a calm and scenic water ride, but I still enjoyed the experience. Just when I was sitting into the moment, a sudden splash of water hit my face, unexpected, refreshing, and honestly the highlight of the ride. So now we were heading towards the main highlight, which was our roller coaster ride, and surprisingly there were only 3 of us. Guys, I had this roller coaster ride abhi, and trust me, मेरा दिमाग घूम गया. पहले मैं सोच रही थी कि GoPro लेके जाऊंगी. अच्छा, मैं GoPro लेके नहीं गई. जब तक आपके पास हार्नेस नहीं होता, बॉडी हार्नेस नहीं होता, इट इज नॉट recommended to take GoPro, क्योंकि वो गिर जाता. ऑलरेडी आज ड्रोन का इतना बड़ा हो गया था, तो आई थॉट कि मेरे दोस्तों ने बोला कि आज GoPro मत लेके जा, क्योंकि दिन की स्टार्टिंग ऐसी हुई है. After a long search, we finally arrived to our pre-booked Indian restaurant. We were absolutely starving since we hadn't eaten much all day, so we wasted no time and went straight away for this delicious thali to satisfy our hunger. कर बंद कर. So 3 दिन बाद मैं अच्छा इंडियन खाना खा रही हूँ. Felt good. बाकी अभी we are leaving. हम लोग नाइट शो के लिए नहीं रुक रहे बिकॉज सब लोग बहुत थक चुके हैं. Now we are planning to have a foot massage. So as we were heading back to our Airbnb with this, we got this breathtaking view of Win Wonders at sunset. The entire place looked magical. Plus, there were live shows and performances happening around and adding to this vibrant evening atmosphere. So So this was our last day in Phuket and I can't believe how quickly these 2 days flew by. Being on this paradise island felt absolutely magical, and ending each day with a stunning firecracker show made this experience even more unforgettable. Leaving with beautiful memories that I will cherish forever. Stay tuned for next vlog and please do not forget to subscribe, like and share my channel. अगर vlog अच्छा लगे तो please comment करके ज़रूर बताना. Bye.